Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. I've got an unbelievably super sweet and special fun project share for you today. This one was created by Maria Rivera. She is incredible. She followed my traveling mini album tutorial and made something absolutely beautiful. I had to ask her if I could show it to you. And Maria, thank you again so much. This traveled all the way from Puerto Rico, and she said, Francis, I made a ton of these for my family while we go traveling, so you'll see what's inside. I just love what she did. She says this is an older collection by Echo Park. Maria, thank you so much for letting me share this with everybody. I love your pen holder right here. This gold accent, little metal hardware right here for the clip is just gorgeous. And she also used ribbon instead of paper. In class we did paper, but she did ribbon. So easily customizable. Look at this. Total 100% like personality in there. Simple flat stickers. I love those letters. And look how cute this sentiment is. Is that the cutest thing ever or what? I love it. I'm just in love with this super high quality craft cardstock. You wrapped your corners beautifully. I'm obsessed. Polka dot paper, adorable. And she even attached some charms. I would love to come back and try this method. Look how cute. This is a little slipper. Adorable. Little portrait. Little flower. Oh my gosh, these are just, Maria, what a perfect addition. And then like this cute little metallic jewel. And then this one has some fabric on it. What a great idea to add these charms on the spine. And everything just feels so wonderful, Maria. The spine is perfect. Everything you did here is phenomenal. And look at this wonderful idea. She's going to be traveling in December with her family, so she put the month and the year. Is that genius or what? So let's look on the inside. Oh my goodness, look at this. Packed with so much love. I'll leave the tutorial down below if you wanted to make one like Maria. She's just so amazing. I ended up getting to meet her actually at the in-person live class this past March. Look at these beautiful notches. Maria, I like your little take on this. You did some banner style little slots right there. So awesome. Look at this, bon voyage. And then we've got all these little cutouts that she stuck in there. Totally customizable. I just love it. You could journal on the back. I'm sure she has so many fun ideas. Just beautiful paper. Maria, love this green contrasting with the airplane tight knit pattern here. That is a blast. She stuck a beautiful sticker right there. I love how you kind of decked out your file folder pocket with this super simple sticker. And then a first class sticker right up here. Just totally balances it out. This is a great pocket for like brochures or little maps if you go hiking and stuff. I just love that camera stamp you used. It's like a Instagram style and then beautiful little stickers. In love with this airplane. I mean, come on. Travel all the way. Oh, cool little arrow. I like how you stuck that vertically right there. These moments, travel, got some 2x2 photo spots right here. Absolutely gorgeous. This page turns. And then you've got more picture space on the back. Love that. I really want to zoom in so you can see all of the beautiful work she did. Look at this Maria, you sent me some of these. She's so awesome. I can't wait to see you again, Maria. This upcoming March 2027, we're going to have another in-person live class here in Central California. So I can't wait to see you if you decide to come again. Look at this. Absolutely, yes, you could put, oh, very smart. She used that whole, oh, wait, I think this is telling us the paper line. Is it? Yes, it is. Alicia Gordon, possibly, Getaway, by an old Echo Park paper collection. I think we found the mystery. Beautiful notch. Absolutely excellent. Love your paper pattern choices that are combined together. Got the neutrals, moving them around, popping the red back out. Maria, this is just fabulous. Excellent. I love how you use that 1/2 inch corner rounding too. Really playful and soft. And then a beautiful 4x6 photo on the back. And look how she did this. This is a little addition that I decided, when we're traveling, why don't we include some paper? And Maria, you totally took it away. Look at this. So many fun little stickers in here, Maria. Oh, it's so beautiful. I have so much fun seeing all the different renditions of everybody. And Maria, yours is just absolutely gorgeous. Look at this sticker. And this is black and white baker's twine. It just contrasts perfect with the collection. It's just so vibrant, yet muted tones that are perfect for travel. Excellent. So much journaling space. Wherever you take this traveling mini album with you, you have tons of space to journal. I love those little border strips and your little ticket stub stickers. What a fun collection. I wonder if it came with these stickers too, Maria. You're going to have to tell us that. Look at this. Love it. She's got these awesome little flower paper clips spread around. That'll probably help her tuck things into these individual pockets. So you've got all these little notches. I don't know if you can see these. I'll take these out so you can see. And you can stuff all the memorabilia in there. And if anything falls, it's designed in such a way where it falls towards the spine. So she oriented her pockets this way as well. Maria, haha, you're so awesome. I'm going to stick your beautiful little flowers right back on there. So it'll be nice and ready for you when you go and travel. Cute little hello there sticker right in the corner. This turns, and we've got pocket access right here. Look how cute that matches her little charm on the spine earlier. Another little high heel paper clip. She's got the cutest paper clips. She sent me some the other day and they are so cute. I can't wait to use them. I love these stickers going all different which ways. Here's another 4x6 picture. Cute camera stamp again. This flips over. I love how you're bouncing around this metal hardware everywhere. This is an adorable little hashtag symbol and you kept your flap nice and square edge. Love that. Look how cute these are. I can't get over it. This is an envelope pouch, so this actually opens up. Magnetic closure. Cute little notch right there. You can stuff any 4x6 pictures in here and or postcards will fit. So that's going to be cute to see how she fills it out. I'm sure she will share that with us on the app community. Look at these simple little stickers, Maria. That's awesome. 3 photo spaces and then 2 more right here. Look at all this room for all these pockets. She stuffed in these adorable little 3x4 cutouts. Enjoy the ride and enjoy the journey. And then a heart paper clip. I love it. On the go. She decided to make these horizontal styles, so that's actually really cool. So you can turn an album, and if you have photos you've taken like this, you can admire them that way, because not everybody takes photos in the vertical position. Look at these 2x2 photos. Love that cute little stamp right there. This northeast southwest paper is so cute. A little button, little stickers going in each different direction. Look, adorable. And the pen holder right in here. We got this elastic sort of fabulous ivory colored ribbon right there. Such a cute pen inside of such a cute little pen slot. I'm just obsessed with it, Maria. All the colors are just gorgeous. Look at this cute little plane right here. Oh my gosh, Maria, you're the best. Look at the gold foil accenting on that paper. And all the words right here, what does it say? Laugh often, believe, memories just because, be funny. I love it. Oh, look at this. We got a cute little tab stuck on this picture mat. Does she have anything else in there? Not yet, but she will. Cute little suitcase and then a hand. I love it. I love every bit of it. And she continued the paper up this way. Everything's just so beautiful. I love it so much. I can't thank you enough, Maria, for allowing me to connect with you through your artwork. I've seen your in-person book before, and it's just amazing to see a second book made by you. And once you fill this up, I can't wait to see photos of it. Please share it with us on the app. I would love to see it. This is phenomenal. Maria, you're just such a sweet person. I was so unbelievably honored to have met you in person, and now I get to see one of your books in person again. For me, it's always an unforgettable experience to connect with my friend's art, and I want to thank you again so much for allowing me this opportunity. Thank you, everyone, for hanging out with us while we went through Maria's beautiful traveling mini album together, and I can't wait to see what more you end up doing with it when you take it with you, Maria. I'll see you in the app, and everyone else, I'll see you next time. Bye.